welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be reviewing this Philips blender. This is a healthy smoothie or sauces and ice crushing everyday equipment. So I am going to be showing you what's inside the box. Now let's start. We have the lid. Then we have the one that you can use for making sauces. I am going to be demonstrating how it is assembled. Then we have the jar blender. This is the jar blender. Then we also have this other one, this Philips. Then we have this one here. This is another one where you can switch apart from using this one, the one like this one. You see, this one has 4 metals while this one has 2 metals. It's different. It's either you make your sauces using this 2-1 or you can use this one here. So I am going to assemble how it comes when fully done. Let me remove the box. Oh, we have a user manual. I forgot to share. You can always refer to your user manual. It is written in English or France or Portuguese. You can always come and check out how it's used or how to assemble your jar. And here we have the manual. It's so good when you have the manual because it's easy and let me put it aside. And then I'm going to show you how to assemble the healthy smoothie jar. Let me show you. This is how you assemble it. You just use these ones here. Then you see this one here, and there's this thing where it makes it stop to make your jar secure like that. And then we have a lid to cover all the spilling. And then here there is P. I believe P, it stands for stop. No, pause, sorry. And then we have 0. 0, that's where you stop. And then there is 1 where you just crush your smoothies or sauces in there, and you are good to go. This is the lovely blender. It's so good. I love it because it is just making your smoothies so smoothie, like smoothie, and so soft. And this is how the jar looks like. I really love using this jar, guys. Soon I'll be showing you how to, we'll be making a smoothie together in here. And then we have this. Let me remove this one. And then we have this one where you can make your puree baby food or sauces. There's this thing here and there's this one here. You just make sure you clip so that it becomes so secure. First you just press it there, then you just roll, like you just move it like that, and then you see it's now secure. It's now so secure and tight. Then I'm just going to use this here, this one here, and this one. I'm just going to roughly, like, I'm just going to move in this direction, this clockwise, and then you just make it cut like that, and you hear that sound where it says stick, and then that's it. And this is my sauces or smoothie equipment that I enjoy using. It's so good. This blender here, it's intended for blending the fluids, e.g., for example, dairy products, sauces, you can make fruit juices, you can make your soup here, like if you want your soup so crushed, especially for babies. They don't like eating vegetables, so I would prefer, crushing your veggies in here, and for making mixed drink. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching.